Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Detectives, and this is Franklin Hasse. So as we always say, it's either I take you a tip or I tip you a tech, whatever it is. Welcome to Detectives. Today we are going to talk about Fuchsia, and this Fuchsia thing has been a thing of the week. A lot of YouTubers, tech YouTubers are talking about. Okay, so Fuchsia itself is a plant that have a purple and a pink colors brought together. All those stars have a holistic meaning and other stuff to it. You can search on YouTube here and then you get a lot of them, but I'm not going there right now. Okay, so Fuchsia is an open source operating system developed by Google. Google itself have Google search engine, they have Google Mail, that's Gmail, they have Google Meet and everything Google. Okay, but currently Google also came up with another operating system which is called Fuchsia, as I said, and this Fuchsia is open source, meaning anybody at all can work on it, just like Linux. Linux have a lot of distros, and I'm thinking Fuchsia should also have a lot of distros. Art is still open source and a lot of people are working on it. It's still under development. Okay, so basically that's the thing we need to know about Fuchsia for now. And Fuchsia is built on four core principles or four main principles. Okay, and these four principles are aim or reasons why we are here today. When you go on www.fuchsia.dev, that's a website for the Fuchsia operating system. Over there you'll be able to see everything pertaining to the website, how to install it on your devices, either a mobile device or a laptop device. And they have an aim. It's going to be built on any other devices that uses an operating system: fridge, laptop, phones, TV, and the rest. Okay, so what are these four core principles? The first one I have to talk about is security. Every operating system have that in mind before building. I will not go and sign up for something that is not secure, especially as it's an operating system, because it deals with a lot of personal stuff. So Fuchsia is based on security. Everything is going to be secured, and as far as you have installed Fuchsia for a particular task, that is the information that Fuchsia will be giving you to work with. That's according to their website. The second core principles has to do with updatability, or is updatable, meaning it's going to be updated. The operating system is going to be updated. Likewise, on their store, I don't know whether they'll be using Google Store or they'll still have their own personal store. If you have an app, if it's an web that is on it, it needs to be updated, should be current for everyone to be able to use. The next one has to do with pragmatism. Pragmatism here means realistic, not just scientific or not just anything fiction. Okay, so pragmatism, both scientific and practical. The practical stuffs are also there, so they are bringing to you but whatever they are saying. That's how Fuchsia is about. Lastly, Fuchsia also have inclusive, meaning all kinds of app development or language development are going to be used by Fuchsia. Currently they have only some few ones like web, they have Rust, they have C++, they have Go, they have Flara, and the last one is that are currently running on Fuchsia app or Fuchsia operating system. So I don't know, do you understand what I said? If you don't understand, just leave a comment in the comment section there, and then we'll get interactive. And also don't forget to give a thumbs up to the video and also subscribe. All right, so we meet again. Adios.